Welcome to Grammar 3Q. In this book, we will be going over the verbs to be and to have, and we'll go over adverbs and prepositions. First, let's look at to be. We'll look at how to conjugate this verb. Here we have past, present, and future tense of to be. Past tense is was or were. I was happy. They were happy. Present tense will be is, am, or are. I am happy now. She is happy now. We are happy now. And future tense will be. And that will just be used for every type of subject, whether it's singular, plural, I, or you. Next, we'll go over to have, which has easier conjugations compared to be. We have past tense of to have is had. Present tense is has or have. Future tense is will have. In this booklet, what we'll have you do is identify and write the conjugations for to be and to have to familiarize yourself with these again. Next, we'll go over prepositions versus adverbs. Once again, it's been a while since we've gone over adverbs since we've been focusing so much on prepositions lately. So let's go over an adverb first. It is a type of describing word that modifies an action verb, not a noun, and can answer how, when, or where an action is being completed. For example, I sweep outside. Where is the action taking place? Outside. Therefore, it is describing the action of the verb. A preposition must be a part of a prepositional phrase. Here we have the example, we run off the trail. Off being the preposition used in the prepositional phrase, off the trail. Notice that when you have a word that can be an adverb or a preposition, there are two ways to go about it. One, you can identify it as an adverb by seeing if it's describing the action of the verb. The rabbit hid beneath the rabbit hid beneath being the adverb describing where the action is occurring, or it could be used in a phrase. The rabbit hid beneath the rose bush. Beneath being a preposition that begins the phrase beneath the rose bush. So remember, you'll never find a preposition on its own. It will always be a part of a phrase, whereas an adverb will usually stand alone or be amongst other adverbs. So in this book, we'll have you identify different parts of speech and functions of speech. First, we want you to always cross out the prepositional phrase and label the OP. And then we also want you to underline the subject and double underline the verb. And after that, we'll be asking you to identify and work with a variety of different parts of speech. So in this one, we're having you circle any adverbs and draw an arrow to the verb it is describing. We may also ask you about direct objects, predicate nominatives, and predicate adjectives. So be sure you're really paying attention to the directions and what we want you to do on that specific page. As you can tell, we don't have any sentence diagramming in this video. That's because we have a lot of just review in this book. So if you have any questions over one of the diagrams, you can look in the back of the book at the reference sheet, or you can look back at any of the grammar videos that we have created in the past. If you have any other questions about this or any other grammar booklet, please contact the person who grades your grammar at the center.